Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Medical Disposables and Supplies Limited has advised that the company has entered a joint venture involving the formation of an entity in Cayman to be engaged in the distribution of pharmaceutical and medical products to hospitals, clinics, and other healthcare-related facilities in Cayman and the Caribbean region. Medical Disposables has further advised that this company formation began in October 2024 and is expected to be completed prior to financial year end March 31st, 2025. Medical Disposables has also advised that the company has been appointed as the distributor of True Pet Food in Jamaica. True Pet Food is a Jamaican pet food brand owned by Caribbean Broilers Group. NCB Financial Group Limited has announced the successful divestment of Thoma Explorate BV, the insurance brokerage business of Guardian Group Fathom in the Netherlands, to UK-based PIB Group Limited. In a statement to the stock exchange, NCB disclosed that the group expects to record a gain from this transaction, which was finalized on January 24. The sale aligns with the company's broader objectives to streamline operations and focus on high-growth opportunities within its portfolio. This move is part of NCB's ongoing commitment to refining its business model, ensuring sustainable growth, and delivering enhanced returns to shareholders. For the trading period ending January 28, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Online Educator One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 40,066,781 units traded, representing 51.72% of market sales volume. Microfinance firm Elasco Financial Services Limited with 8,074,843 units traded, accounting for 10.42% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 5,912,805 units traded, represented 7.63% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On January 28, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $40.4 million purchased and US $53.6 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.19 in profit per dollar, selling the US at $158.05 and buying the US at $156.86. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.77 per transactions, with selling at $111.13 and buying at $108.36. The British pound yielded Forex traders $6.88 in profits, with selling at $198.58 and buying at $191.70. For our credit report tip of the day, what if your credit score is below 500? The gold standard for credit scores is 850 points. But even small improvements can unlock better financial opportunities. As a self-employed professional, visiting your banker to discuss credit worthiness is a crucial step towards building financial stability. Here are some options. Draft a credit explanation letter. If your score is low, explain factors like temporary financial hardship. Also, research bank credit policies. Know what your bank requires from self-employed borrowers. And then ask for a pre-qualification assessment. This determines if you're eligible without impacting your credit score. Now we turn from our Nothing to Financial Resilience feature. Building financial resilience and recovery as a professional woman over 45 who happens to seek a slower pace of life with passive income involves thoughtful planning and action. You've given so much of yourself to others, your career, your loved ones, and now it's time to prioritize you. Here are some steps you can take. Turn your passion into profit. Whether it's crafting, baking, or photography, transform your hobbies into scalable income streams. Also invest in dividend-paying stocks. Choose reliable companies or exchange-traded funds that provide consistent dividends to build a steady income. And that wraps up today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.